What are you cooking today?
I am making vegetable soup.
Can I help you?
Yes, please wash the carrots.
The carrots are clean.
Thank you. Cut them into small pieces.
What do we need next?
We need an onion. Let's add this onion to the mix.
Here is the onion. Please peel it. The onion is ready.
Now chop it carefully.
Should I use this knife?
Yes, that knife is fine.
The vegetables are ready.
Put them into the pot.
Should I add some water?
Yes, add 2 cups of water.
What comes next?
Add a little salt.
Do we need pepper?
Yes, add some black pepper.
Can I stir the soup?
Yes, stir it slowly.
It smells good.
I think it is almost ready.
Should we taste it?
Yes, let's taste it.
It tastes delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Can I serve the soup?
Yes, pour it into the bowls. The soup looks nice.
Dinner is ready. Thank you for teaching me.
You're welcome. Great job. Let's eat together.
Enjoy your meal. The soup was very good.
Let's cook again tomorrow.